several UI elements like
Hello sir,
buttons,
Ali Brian
cards,
L. Hidalgo.
dito sa
This is my PowerPoint.
section
Mastering Blade
35.
Dynamic Templating for Laravel Development.
Slots. Define
Developers.
flexible areas within your components.
Number 1
Custom
sir,
content can be
what is a
injected
template inheritance in Blade and how can be
consistency.
used in a real world
Visual,
application?
uniform design and behavior for recurring
Template inheritance is
elements
Blade
throughout the
cornerstone for adhering to the dry
It's powerful to
IDRY sir. Don't
yourself.
repeat yourself. Principles.
Principle.
It defines a master layout or parents. Template the establish the common
Leading to
instructor
cleaner,
like header,
code
footer,
bases
and
more
navigation.
efficient
Child view then simplify.
development
Extend this
workflows.
parent, injecting only their unique content leading to significantly cleaner and more manageable code bases.
Kaya po ha.
Next sir. Number 2 sir. How can be blade section and GL utilized to manage content and different views? Managing content with section and yield. Yield and section
Okay.
are the key and lock system for dynamic content injection.
Yes, sir.
Think of yield. Name. As an empty slot is your master layout ready to be filed, you can provide default content and child views doesn't define a specific section. Conversely, sir, section name and section is the content block within your child views. Its name must precisely match the yield and directive you intend to populate. This is a powerful pairing allowed to define multiple restrict content areas, providing maximum flexibility in your template structure. Number 3 sir, how do blade control structure makes your code more readable compared to raw PHP? Sir, ito yun sir. Blade control structure versus raw PHP. Itong dalawang to sir, mahirap to. Magulo tong mga to sir. Yun lang. Number 4 na tayo sir. What is the purpose of the syntax in Blade? And why is it important for security? So sir, syntax and XSS protection. The variable syntax in Blade is your primary tool for displaying data. It's equivalent to PHP echo variable, but comes with a crucial built-in security feature, automatic escaping sir. This protection your application from cross-site scripting XSS attack by converting potentiality harmful character into harmless HTML entitles. For example, malicious input like script, alert, and hack sir. Script is rendered as plain text, neutralizing that threat and keeping your user sir. Okay, number 5 na tayo sir. How can blade component and slot be used to create reasonable UI elements sir? Reusable UI with components and slots sir. Self-contained element. Blade component are small. Reusable UI. Blah 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 yan sir. Lahat na yan. Yung tatlong yan sir. And then number 5 sir. Okay na sir. Tapos na. Tapos ito na po sir. Just enroll now sir. And sir.
Hirap.